Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how I do my brows. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ebony. And to fill in my brows, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills flat brush in number 12. And it looks like this. I'm just gonna coat my brush so it looks something like that. And then you wanna brush your brows up. Then what you wanna do is you wanna make a line at the bottom. Like this. Like so. And I'm gonna take a little bit more product so I can fill in a little bit in the middle, like that. And once you get towards the front of your brow, you want to do like this. Softly. Because this part has to be like faded. So you don't want this part to be darker than this part. So right now I'm going to take more product on my brush. And I'm gonna do a line on the top. And just, you wanna create your tail. Like that. And now you want to fill in any gap that you may have. Now what I do is I take the spoolie and I just brush it lightly to take some product off. And I don't go too hard on this part of the brow because I don't want to take the product off. So I just comb my hairs down. But here I just comb it a little bit more harder so it can fade. And it should look something like that. Now I'm gonna go in with the concealer. The concealer that I use is by LA Girl in Porcelain. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of the product on my hand, on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna be using a flat brush from Morphe. it looks something like this. And I'm gonna coat the brush with the concealer, and it should look something like this. You see how thin it looks? So now I'm gonna just line now. When you get to this part of the brow, you want to be careful because this is where you can mess up. Some people drag everything like that. I don't do that. I like to take my time and do like these sweeping motions like that, because trust me, it will turn out better at the end. So yeah, you have to take your time. And when you finish doing that, you can just bring the product down. Like that. You can use your pinky, or you can use a beauty blender just to blend the product to your lid. And that's about it. That's how I do my brows. And then I would just like comb it again. And that's basically it. That's how I do my brows. I'm gonna do the other brow and then I'll come back. So I did my other brow and this is what it looks like. And these are both of the brows. I hope you learned something today, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.